What's the Miracle Drinks Renal Care package?
See, in the renal care package, I am actually advocating for 15 days, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. Because initially I am advocating for 15 days just to show to the people that how that my renal package really giving impact on the body. And those who takes this package, in the sense package means they will be in constant monitored by the dietitians and also doctors, and also weekly doctors will advocate that what are all the diets which they have followed and the resultant effect, and if at all any problems are prevailing, so what are all the solutions. All these things doctors will guide the patients, and every day the dietitians will be in touch with the patients, so thereby the patients can be seen in enormous changes in their body within no time. Otherwise, simply they come and meet and take the medicines or supplements from the doctors, and if they go back, so sometimes they are unable to again access the doctors. In package, they will be accessed consistently. So that's why package will give holistic health to the kidney patients.